Okay, so once you have gone in and changed your message format, we're going to go back into our customer setup and we're going to go ahead and set up our surcharge. So we're going to go customer setup and then we'll go to surcharge mode. And then we want to make sure our surcharge is enabled. And then we'll also change the amount while we're in here. So we'll go to amount. It'll pop up right here. We're just going to say $3. And then you'll click enter to apply. Amount is $3. And then you can also do a percentage. So we'll click percent. And we'll set 1% just for this video. Enter. And then our use is $3 or 1%, whichever is greater. And then while we're also in here, we're going to want to set the name of the surcharge owner. So we'll go to owner. And then we'll just do ATM depot for us. So each of these numbers correlate to the letters and the keys. So we'll do 2 for A. And then if you just let it give a second, it'll input it automatically for you. And then 8 for T. And then 6 for M. D for E. And to get to lowercase, it's this screen key on the over here. And then we'll do E. And you click it twice to get to the other letters, or 3 times to get to the last one. And then P. O, T, and then to get to our dots, it is over here, so we'll do 0, and then we'll do .com, so we'll do O, M, and then we'll click enter to apply. Awesome. So we have surcharge enabled, surcharge owners, atmdepot.com. We have our amount and our percentage, and then whichever is greater. So then we'll back out of here. And then you're going to go to optional function. You want to make sure your EMV is enabled. So we'll go to EMV. EMV is enabled. Looks good to me. We'll cancel back out. Cancel back out one more time. And now we're going to change our receipt messages. So once you're in the customer setup, we're going to go to change message. And then so you have 4 lines for your receipt and then a welcome message. So we'll go to our welcome message, and it already has welcome for us. So we'll go ahead and type in welcome to ATM Depot. So since it's the same thing, the numbers correlate to the letters. So we'll do 2. Oh, I messed up there, so I didn't put a space in. So we'll click clear to back 1. And then so our space is in between the Z and the 1, so we'll click 1 to get all the way to the space. And then we'll do 2. Space again. Oops, we'll clear back. And then we'll do A, T, awesome. So we have our welcome message set to welcome to atmdepot.com. So we'll go ahead and click enter. So that one's set, and we'll go ahead and set our receipt messages. So I like to do the line 1 as our location name. So we'll do receipt header 1, and we'll do ATM Depot. So A, T, M, D, E, T, O, T, awesome. So we'll click enter to apply that, and then we'll do our line 2 as a location address. So we'll do our address. Oops. So to get to your numbers, we're going to go to number. We'll go our address. And then we'll go back to our letters. And we'll do and we'll go to our lowercase. Then we'll go back to our upper. And then we'll click enter to apply our address. And then line 3, I like to do city, state, zip. So we'll do, or we already in uppercase, so we'll do Encinitas, lower. Oops. And then to get to the numbers, you just tap it, and then you can go to the third one. You tap it 3 times, so we'll do S. So 1, 2, 3. We're on S. And then if we want to get to the space, we'll do 1, 2, 3 to the space, and then we'll click enter. And then oops, I forgot our cities, and I forgot the zip in the state. So we'll go back to line 3, and then we have our space. So we'll do numbers. 9, 2, 0, 2, 4. We'll go back to our letters, and we'll do a space again, and do California. Awesome. Then we'll do enter to apply. That looks good to me. And the last one is optional, but I like to do the phone number of the location. So we'll do 7. Oops. So we'll go to our numbers. Do 7, 6, 0. And then if you want to get to these down here, your special characters, you'll tap it multiple times to get down there. So have our dash 760 4. Actually, that is the wrong phone number. And then I'm just using a random phone number for the purpose of this video. And then we click enter to apply. And then so we have our receipt set.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.